Hi, this is Mike Wallach with TriMech, and I want to show you how to convert a SOLIDWORKS assembly to a multi-body part file. So here I have this gas strut assembly, and this is a purchased component that's going to be used in a higher level assembly. It's an assembly itself, of course, and it has 19 component files. Each one of those components has had material assigned. So when we go to mass properties, we can see the calculated mass of the assembly. And if we go to performance evaluation, we can see that there are 47 mates here. One of those mates is a width mate, and that width mate allows it to be flexible so that it can go between its compressed and fully open position. But in our top level assembly, we're only going to use this in the compressed position, and we really don't care about all these individual components of the subassembly. So we're just going to convert this into a multi-body part so that we can have one file as our component at the top level. So I'm going to go to File, Save As, and change the file type from assembly to part. And then I have several options to choose from. I can include all components, which is what I'm going to do, or only selected components, or just exterior faces, creating a surface model, or preserve geometry references. But I'm just going to keep it simple here. Give that a moment, and then open up the new file. There's the new multi-body part file. So now we have 19 solid bodies in this part file, and they do not have material assigned to them. So if we go to mass properties, we can see the mass properties have been overridden so that it shows the same weight that the assembly showed. If we go to performance evaluation, we can see rebuild time is now only 0.02 seconds. So very efficient. And now this will be a very lightweight, easy to process component in the top level assembly. In part two, I'm going to show you another approach for creating a multi-body part out of an assembly file.